Hi everyone, welcome to DIY with Nadia and welcome to Nadia's Wreath Wednesday. Today we are doing a Christmas village wreath. I found these wreaths anywhere from $200 to $428. Wow! And I made mine for $10 with my own spin on it, and it looks, I feel like it looks cleaner, it looks crisper, not as busy, but it's beautiful and elegant. I hope you agree with that. So if you want to see how I made it, stay tuned. Okay, I'm going to get started with two of these green wreaths from the Dollar Tree, and I'm using two because they are a little bit on the sparse side. Oh gosh, I guess this is the back of it. You can definitely just see all the wiring. We are going to turn that upside down, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to open one up and make it flat basically, so then I can put the second one right on top. And obviously, because this one is really sparse, you could basically see the skeleton kind of on this one. That's definitely going to be my bottom one.
Baby, this year it's just gonna be you and me. Hang by the fire and chill. Isn't this how it's supposed to be? Making our Christmas memories. Oh, and I've been longing to hold you close. Forget about everyone.
Okay, the next thing I'm going to do is I have 3 pieces left of this wired garland. This one seems a little bit shorter, but I'm going to just fold this in half. And I think I'm going to get the Dollar Tree actual garland because this is, I just feel like it's not going to be enough.
I've been wrapping presents for you. I've been hanging marbles in the tree. And I've lit my house with Christmas lights. So you should come back home to me. And when we wake up in the morning, I'm gonna play those carols.
Okay, you guys, I think it's down to this. I am grabbing the garland because it's just not enough. And I'm just going by the folds of the garland, just how it came, about 7 to 10 inches, and I just want to fill it in. There's holes, so you want, this garland will actually be really nice because it's fluffy and full. Okay, that's much better. I feel like, look at this. This is already starting to look better than this, and I just want to make sure I have enough, so I'm just going to jump throughout the areas.
Making our Christmas memories. Yes, these are the good times with you. Don't even care what we do if I spend it with you.
Now to work on the little houses. Look at these cute little ornaments I found at the Dollar Tree. And because they have these little tops, the first thing I'm going to do is remove all these tops. And let me just work on one so you see what I'm going to do here. Then I'm going to grab some paint. Any paint will do, acrylic. I'm just using chalk paint because it'll dry faster. And then we're going to bring glitter in. Now, one of the reasons that's okay to do, because look at all of this glitter going on over here. Okay, so what I'm going to do is make this little part look like a chimney. And the reason I'm grabbing white is because we want to make it look like there's snow on it. And so I'm just going to go around like this really quickly, not a big deal. Bring on the glitter. When this dries, what is going to make it look like a chimney is I'm going to grab a piece of cotton, and I'm going to, I don't know how I'm exactly going to do this. I'm grabbing a piece of cotton here. I'm gonna fold it in half like this. I don't know how big I want it. And then I'm going to shove this little piece of cotton in the chimney, and it's going to look like smoke. How cute is that, you guys? I think I do want it longer though. I don't like the short one too much. Oh my goodness, you guys, this is just too cute. Look at that. We have a house and we have a little chimney with smoke coming out. How adorable is that? All right, so I'm going to finish up all of these and come back. For today's Wreath Wednesday, I'm collaborating with a really sweet friend of mine. Her channel name is Texas Girl DIYs, and this girl can DIY. You will absolutely love her channel, love the DIYs that she does, and absolutely love her personality because she is just sweet, kind, and just an overall amazing crafter. Her channel link will be linked in the description box below, along with the link to today's video for Wreath Wednesday. Let's get back to the video. You make me smile, but these little houses are cracking me up. Just take a look. So sweet and cute. I am just ecstatic. Okay, so now let's actually bring things together. I have the wreath right here, and you have a few options here. You could do these Christmas trees from the Dollar Tree, and these are the green ones and then the white ones. I use these as props all the time, and I tried putting these on and it just does not work because I just feel like these are clashing in their own way, and then the white ones are kind of clashing too. They're pretty, but you need a lot of them to work, and I just have like the really tall ones and the short ones. So what you could do if you have these is kind of just do the houses right here. But because I'm doing the full wreath, I'm going to do something else. I have these florals from the Dollar Tree, and these are so easy to come off. You just pop them off, and look at these. They look like little Christmas trees. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove, because I feel like they're a little too long for the houses. I mean, some of them could be taller like that, but in most cases, I'm going to remove this bottom petal right there. And I'm going to have this sweet little Christmas tree, and it works really well with the little house.
The wonders of life got the prettiest side for everyone to enjoy. Standing up close by the Christmas tree, glimmering light, I am right where I wanna be. I will be home for a couple of days, wander around with you. You and me in the cold, thought it'd never be true. Wherever I go, I got you. Oh, I have stopped running.
Okay, looks like I have one little house left over. I didn't want it to be too crowded either, so I'm just going to continue. But I am going to hot glue the little homes.
Some kind of love, my friend, I'll pray it will never end. Do you like to be here too? It's Christmas, and outside snow's glistening. Just you and
these trees are not the easiest because they are bare, so I try to find the side where it's more flat, kind of like this, so I have room to put the glue in and just start sticking them everywhere.
At the door, you said I wish this will never be over. Darling, it's time for your present. Come over here. Now it is time to get out in the snow.
Okay, at this point, I feel like I have plenty of gold. Now I'm going to step back and start adding some cotton. And this we're just going to stick underneath the homes. And I'm just going to unwrap it a little bit. Divide it in half. And just kind of fluff the half out. Kind of round the edges, and I'm just going to put it underneath the home. And these have been so popular. Martha Stewart. I mean, just so many people have been doing these homes. And so I'm not sure who it was, but one of my beautiful subscribers has asked me to do this wreath. So I am so glad she did, because I'm having a blast. And you know what? I'm going to hot glue it on here, because I feel like it's kind of hanging in the air, so that's just more secure. Are you guys starting to see it now? The cotton's going underneath the houses. It's starting to look up. Oh, it's just starting to look so cute. You know, sometimes it doesn't take much to humor me. I was looking at those little houses, and as I was making them, and I could not stop smiling. They are so stinking cute. And with the little chimney and the smoke coming out, they're just so cute. I was just smiling the whole time I was making them. Just so adorable. I love how the wreath came out. Let me know what you thought, and also keep these ideas coming. Let me know what types of wreath you want to see on my channel, because today's wreath was an inspiration from one of you. One of my subscribers recommended for me to do this, and I did. I made one that is my version of a Christmas Village wreath, and I made it for $10. So let me know down below your ideas, and let me know what you think about this wreath. If you are new to my channel, please consider subscribing, hitting the thumbs up button and the little bell, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys. Mwah.
It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. It's just you and me tonight. I'll spend all this Christmas with you.